Hi guys, welcome to Kiki Films. Today I'll be showing you how to make slime with this soap and flour. And you're gonna want a grown up because this is very messy. So, or you could just get a mat or something so you won't mess up. You won't make a mess of anything. So, first you want to add in the soap. So I got it. I just wanna mix it. Now you want to add in your flour. Make sure you add a little bit at a time. And just want to mix this. Guys, this is my own recipe. Well, I'm not sure. I never saw anybody make a video by making soft Play-Doh with this soap and flour. So I'll say that I'm the only person who made a video on this. So I just add in another pinch, like a couple pinches of flour, water, and it's starting to get together. Mix. And touch it. It's sticky finger, so that means not ready. And just keep on adding more and more flour until you get what you are looking for, which is Play-Doh that does not stick to your fingers. Dale, who are you talking to? Why are you being mean to Chunky?
I'm not. I'm playing with him.
Yeah, but you taking the ball and I let him play with it.
I'm not even using the ball. Look what I'm using with the eyes.
It's okay. Sorry guys, here's just my brother I was talking to. Of course. Excuse me and my brother screaming across the hall just to answer him. I have two brothers, a little brother and a big brother. One of them is 1 year old. The other one is 8 years old. The baby one, he's going to turn 2 years old on March 15, and the little one, he's gonna turn 9 years old on May 22nd. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing. This thing is very messy. So yeah, this thing is very messy. So you just wanna put a little bit of flour on your mat. And just put it on the mat and play with it until it gets less sticky and it turns soft. And yes, your hands will get messy, but that's all part of the fun.
What?
Mine is starting to get less sticky. And my hands are not messy anymore. It's nice and soft, and it's just like regular Play-Doh. So guys, it smells so good. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, this feels so soft.